In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp. This powerful feature can be a game changer for collecting information and turning it directly into actionable tasks within your workflow. Whether you're a project manager, team lead, or just someone trying to streamline their processes, understanding how to create and use forms effectively in ClickUp will enhance your productivity. To begin, you need to create a form view. Start by navigating to the Views bar located at the top of your screen. This could be within a list, a folder, or even an entire space, depending on where you want your form submissions to be organized. There's also an option to use the Forms hub if you prefer. Once you've accessed the Views bar, look for the plus sign and click on it, then select Form. At this stage, you have the flexibility to either choose from a variety of templates or build your form from scratch, tailoring it to fit your unique needs. Remember to select the destination list carefully. This is where all your form submissions will seamlessly create tasks, ensuring everything's tidy and in its rightful place. Now that you've got your form view established, it's time to build your form. In build mode, you'll have access to a simple drag and drop interface. This is where you select task or custom fields that best suit the type of data you need to collect. You could add simple text fields, drop-down menus, date pickers, or attachments. This flexibility gives you a wide range of options to customize your form and make it fully functional. As you add these fields, think about the information that is most critical for your tasks and workflows. In addition to adding fields, you can rearrange items easily to maintain a logical flow. This helps make your form user-friendly. Consider adding descriptions to clarify what information you're looking to collect. Embedding informational blocks can further guide respondents, providing context or instructions where necessary. Small touches like these can significantly enhance the user experience, making it simple for anyone filling out the form to provide the insight you need. For those using the Business Plus or Enterprise plans, a helpful feature to utilize is conditional logic. This allows certain fields to appear or disappear based on previous responses. It's a powerful way to streamline the form-filling experience, ensuring respondents only see relevant questions. Conditional logic can greatly refine the data you're collecting by asking the right follow-up questions based on earlier answers, thus keeping your forms concise and to the point. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using forms in ClickUp. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to make the most of this versatile feature, optimizing your workflow and enhancing team collaboration. Don't forget to save your form and share it with your intended audience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.